get down past the bend there a little bit. Okay, then I take the fly tire cement and put on the thread. Don't need an excess of that. It's just to help the foam not to slide around the hook. Okay, then I go back here to where I stop my thread and I wrap forward over the foam.
You're lashing it down pretty tight.
Yeah, not so much on the going forward, but when I go back, I try to level it out.
And that's 140 denier.
140 denier ultra thread.
Right.
And as you'll see, I'm jumping around here trying to get it kind of uniform in circumference.
And you're about an eye's length behind the eye with the
Yeah,
end of the foam?
it's about, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, then once we get back there, we get the variegated chenille, black orange. And we tie that down back to back. Run your thread forward. Then you just wrap that one wrap in front of the other. Up to the eye.
That thing must float like a cork.
Yeah, it does. And I usually put about 3 wraps on there, tie that down. And you snip your excess off. Okay, then I go back about this far with the thread.
About a quarter of the body length?
Just about, yeah, right there. Okay, and then this is to form the head. Then I bring the foam up over and wrap it down right there where I had stopped my thread.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then you can go back up here and wrap it down there. Okay, got that?
Yep.
Okay, then I'll come up around the top here to try to hide the thread and go back to here. Okay, then we put the wings on.
Looks like a bug already, Ron.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. This stuff can get a little messy at times. Okay. And I cut about that much out.
Okay.
Tie that down back here at the back where your thread's at. Then I use the front of this ball on my vise here kind of as a indicator of where to cut the
So you're going
wing.
a little past the bend end of the hook.
Oh, I'm going back here. See, I'm going clear back here.
Yeah.
There's the,
Right.
okay. And the outside of the wings on the live cicada, you'll see they've got a little bit of an orange outline to them.
Right.
Now you don't use as much. I use about that much for the outline. Okay, then you put one on each side. And there again, you just use your other ones there to measure the length. One on that side. One on this side. Again, you measure your length from your other ones. And then you'll see you got the pearl in the center and the orange on the outside.
Right.
Then I cut these edges down a little bit to keep it from getting too bulky. Okay, then I take a little dab of the cement and put right in there to kind of hold things together.
Putting it across the thread, right?
Yeah. Okay, then you fold this back, tie it in, that makes your head. Then I take and cut the wings, the top wing here, just about that long. That's not, and then I nip the edges.
Beautiful.
Okay, and then we put the legs on.
And that's the medium barred orange, black,
Yeah,
round.
barred round rubber medium orange black, yep. Okay, then what you do, you go on each side of it. Now, the length isn't important here. You can cut it back. If you get it too short, you want it longer than shorter, so you can cut it if you need it to cut. So like there, right? You can
Right.
cut that in shorter. Okay, but you put them on both sides.
That's just one strand.
Yep, one strand on each side. Okay, then you come up here. It's about 3 wraps. And then you can do 5 or 6 whip finishes here to anchor it down good. There was like 6 there. Just want to be careful you don't crowd your eye shut there.
Right.
Okay, then with the legs, you can take them and move them up or down to get them,
Mhm.
you know, you can slide them up or down to get them to hang the way you want them. And then that's way too long, so I'll just nip it off here. Okay, then I take
Pumpkin.
a dab of orange craft paint. I've taken a dowel rod, sharpened it to get the diameter I want for the
Mhm.
eye. Just dab it in there. Dab an eye on there. Dab an eye on there, and we're done.
Beautiful.
Real simple tie, fun tie. Don't take long,
And they catch fish.
and they do catch fish.
Good job.
There you go.